What you doing, Charlie girl? Do you like it? What you think? Oh, pretty girl. Oh. Thank you. Do you want to come here? Do you want to come here? You gonna jump? Or you gonna poop? Okay. Hi. You wanna come here? Oh. Hi, Charlie. Oh. Ooh. What you doing? Oh my goodness. What? Good girl, you can do it. Good girl. Oh. Squawk? You want to step up? Look how high you are. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Ooh, shake it. Good girl. You want to come get on your Adam? Hi, pretty girl. You want to come here? Over here, Charlie. Come on. Yes. Come on, baby girl. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Charlie. Hi, Charlie. You can do it, pretty girl. You want me to help you step up? What? I don't know. That's what I said. Wait, what? Do you want me to come here? Hi. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Let me put you on this one. There you go. Oh, what do you think? Oh, you got your knee toe away. Think about up there.